Welcome to week 3. So this week we are going to start on the procedural side. So the first 6 chapters were all diagnosis. Now you're going to learn how to look up a code, a procedure code in the PCS book. So again, you're going to be switching books here. You're still going to use your handbook, okay, to review chapters 7, 8, and 9. But you are going to be using the PCS book to look up your codes. So keep that in mind. Your discussion this week is going to be on root operations, which is really big because you use root operations for every procedure code you have. You will be doing assignment 4, 5, and 6. And we, again, will be covering Unit 2. Program learning outcomes, common learning outcomes stay the same. So if anybody has any questions at all this week, make sure you email me. And a couple other things. There is quite a few lectures for this week, so make sure you take your time and go through them. PCS is a great system, and a lot of students end up really liking it better than, the diagnosis part. So again, any questions, let me know, and have a good week.